good morning there. Hi, Miss Maya. So, as we were saying earlier, this is your 3-month birthday, yes? Yeah, that's what I thought. Hello, pretty face. So, at this point, at 3 months... Yeah? Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah? What else? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know. Oh. That was a really long sentence. Uh-huh. Yeah? What else? Anything else? That was a really long sentence, wasn't it? What do you think, you girl? Hi. Anything else you wanted to say? Hmm? Well? Oh, yeah? Mm-hmm. Really? Uh-huh. Yeah? Oh, boy, okay. Yeah? Uh-huh. What else do you want to say? What else do you want to say? Mm. All right. Yeah. Oh, well, okay then. And we're going to get those feet too, huh? Working on getting those toes. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Right. Well, that's pretty good. Anything else? Yeah. What? Right. Well, you know, at 3 months old, that's a lot to say. That's a lot. Yeah. I think so. Because you're a very clever girl. Yeah, you got a lot of stuff to say. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. So you've just had your breakfast, yeah? And what else? Let's see. What are we going to do today? Don't know yet, huh? Making some bubbles. Yeah. You found your hands. That's exciting. Is that maybe all you wanted to say for the moment? Okay, we'll check back later. Okay. Later, good girl. Want to say bye? Want to say bye-bye? Uh-huh. Yeah. All right. Well, then bye for now, huh? You have to go for a run, yes? Okay, sweet girl. Oh. Ing? Uh-huh. Okay. Oh. Really? Okay. Well, right. Hi. Oh. Ah. Agu. Hmm. Very interesting. I agree. Yeah. You want to go out and sit in the garden? We'll go sit in the garden, shall we? Okay. Bye, everybody. See you later.